Compact but powerful, it is the most advanced mosquito repellent ever developed. With a simple touch of the button, the Thermacell Radius Repeller creates a 110 square foot zone of protection. How does it work? You simply insert the repellent cartridge and turn it on. A heating element activates the scent-free repellent. Once activated, the repellent creates a powerful invisible zone of protection against mosquitoes. Radius's proven performance makes it ideal for your backyard, weekends away, or anywhere mosquitoes threaten outdoor enjoyment. With a fully rechargeable battery and a repellent cartridge that lasts up to 40 hours, the Thermacell Radius will change the way you fight mosquitoes. And because Radius does not require butane, it is TSA air travel friendly and is ready for wherever your adventure takes you. Thermacell. Turn it on, mosquitoes gone.
Introducing StarVox, the first sport watch with integrated walkie-talkie, especially designed for outdoor activities. Invented during the Second World War, walkie-talkies have always looked heavy and bulky, designed for function, but not for aesthetics. We wanted to change that and develop a product that is different. A walkie-talkie that is small enough to fit into a smartwatch without compromising on the technical features and design. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you know the situations when you do not have cell phone signal or when it's just not convenient to dial numbers or open apps. Sometimes it's just easier to have just a button to push and talk. Communication is important. You don't want to get lost when you're leaving your comfort zone and trying to discover new areas. StarVox is not just a walkie-talkie, but a smartwatch. Designed for outdoor sports enthusiasts, StarVox comes with a lot of features, useful for your daily life and improving your security. It's important for us to build up a community of like-minded people, so we have included an app for sharing your experience with StarVox. StarVox is compatible with other walkie-talkies and can also help to spread your message to a group of people. We are a team of outdoor sports enthusiasts, and it happened that we got lost in nature. We like to travel to the untouched parts of nature and found out there were a lot of places with no phone signal. So we wanted to create something that helps us in this situation, but still is convenient in daily life and not heavy to carry. Engineering and design was a big challenge, as we wanted to bring the technology into such a small gadget, and had to find a solution to implement the antenna in the wristband. We have been working with different suppliers for the housing and electronics and tried to modify details again and again. Now, we are ready to bring StarVox alive. Please support us today.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Justin, and for the past year, our team has been working on creating the best fidget toy in the world. This is Fidget Power, the world's only fidgeting device that charges your electronics. With Fidget Power, you get 10 awesome buttons and switches, plus powerful internal battery storage that can charge up your smartphone, give your tablet hours of extra use, or supply power to nearly any USB chargeable device. For the first time ever, you can simultaneously charge your favorite device as you click, twist, slide, roll, and mash, all in one ultra-portable package. And let's not forget about the optional magnet. It makes everything so much more fun. Backers get to choose from a bunch of sweet color options. And can go with either a non-magnetic rolly ball or select the magnetic version at no additional cost. But honestly, that's just half the story. We engineered Fidget Power from the ground up to be the smartest fidgeting device out there. We turned to ergonomists, psychologists, product designers, and even shapes used in anti-anxiety exercises for inspiration with the design. And after several months of prototyping, we have created a shape that rests effortlessly in your hand, providing a calming feeling that reduces anxiety while also improving your focus. And let's not forget about the built-in gadgets. There's 10 of them, each one meticulously placed to further develop your coordination and reaction skills. And now, there's really only one thing missing: you guys. We need to get enough pledges for our first big mass production run. We have built great relationships with our manufacturers that can't wait to start producing for us. We're giving our backers awesome perks, like huge discounts and even a surprise gift, just for supporting us early on. And of course, our backers here will get Fidget Power way before anyone else. So remember, fidget better, fidget smarter with Fidget Power.